This is always a popular year and body style here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Tribute. Good looking two-door hardtop black vinyl roof. Red exterior with the SS deck striping on it. Cowl induction hood that is functioning. Big block underneath the hood, 454, that's paired up an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 400 to be exact. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes as we take a look at the grille. Chrome on the bumpers, headlight surrounds looking good up front. Nice touch with the hood pins. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see them on our website. They'll have the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk all listed on there. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. American Racing polished wheels with the black inlays. A little more modern wheel, but a great look on this car. Let's take a peek down the passenger side. Black vinyl interior. Bucket seats up front, center console with the horseshoe shifter. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that. We're going to start it up, let's hear it run. And as you can see, black vinyl top, also in nice shape. Paint shows well on this one. You can see nice shine to it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear bumper, dual exhaust. Of course, the SS badging is an SS Tribute. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures. And if you like muscle cars, specialty vehicles, sports cars, classics, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you might see pop up for a video on here with one of the cars we get in. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Again, I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might have a little red touch-up paint and maybe a real small rock chip here or there, but overall, again, paint shows well on this one. Let's take a closer look at this interior. SS door panels. Vinyl seats, free of rips, tears, holes. You'll be able to check out the interior from every angle in the still pictures also. Headliner. Looks like the shoulder belts are still intact. Tilt column, and I have had the wipers working. I did not get the radio to power up, just so you know. Let's check out this gauge cluster. Some tachometer. Electric fuel pump. As you can see, tach is working. And meter up here. Temp gauge, fuel gauge, both appear to be working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. And a little aftermarket oil pressure gauge. This 454 warm up just a tad. A little cam to this car. This one's definitely got a little rumble coming out of it. Let's go ahead and slip up front. We'll take a look at the power plant. I'm going to pause this a second so I can get these hood pins out. We'll check it out. Alright, so here you can see cowl induction hood, underside nice and clean and tidy. There it is. 454, Edelbrock valve covers, power steering, power brakes. battery disconnector when it's in storage, or in between drives, MSD ignition. Good looking engine bay. Of course, 4-barrel on top of there. Nice car for local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This one would be a head turner, 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Tribute. Stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to drive this car, show you what it's like going down the road. All the pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Call us 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is an automatic on the center console. Very good acceleration in this car. Red and black with a black interior. Doesn't get much more classic than a 70 Chevelle like this. Cowl induction hood. Tachometer working great. Speedometer working as well. Fuel gauge is reading just under a half a tank. Our amp gauge is not moved. It shows a little above half. And the temperature gauge shows 100, and that is not moved either. Under the dash, the oil pressure, between 65 and 70 pounds, and that's excellent. Windshield wipers work. Blower motor works. Nice looking, comfortable vinyl bucket seats. The interior, appearing mostly factory. Nice rumble to the exhaust of this car. Corners nicely, it doesn't lean very much. Again, very good acceleration. Fun car to drive. I let go of the steering wheel while we're on the highway here. It stays perfectly straight. It doesn't pull to either side. Very nice alignment. Headliner looking good. Just a really nice condition Chevelle. And one of the best years, I must say. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.